This is Brian too. It's 1:44 in the morning. You gotta have a boarding pass to be in the airport. I have enough money in my pocket. I have almost $200 and almost $150 on my credit card, which between the two is enough to purchase a ticket. But I can't purchase one in cash or my credit card by itself. I have to use them in combo, which means I have to have an open counter, which there isn't one. Anyway, this is what they do to me. Okay, these people are all over the airport. It's not just right here. It's not just right here. Look at this. You got to have a boarding pass to be in the airport.